Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 1.5 self-charging Jazz Hybrid SE. Now of course, as standard on this SE, you do get full LED headlights and LED daytime running lights. You then get these brilliant upgraded 16-inch alloy wheels as well. Now these are an optional extra on this car, so they do not come from factory. However, I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what design pattern the alloys actually have. Walking around to the rear, you will know that this is a 2022 model. But moving into the boot now, as you'll notice, you do have plenty of room. You've also got 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, and that they do fold flat with the boot floor just there, as you can see, providing even more room. Moving out and round again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, showing you again, you have got your flat folding seats just here. It is nice and easy to lift them back up. You just lift and they will clamp straight back in. Now, as standard, you do have your cloth grey with Isofix mounting points down at the bottom, and you do also have the brilliant magic seat function like so, where you just fold the legs and it will clamp straight into place. Lift them up and it will clamp straight back down. You've got 4 electric windows all round as well. Jumping in the front of the car, as you can see, you have got your electric handbrake with brake hold. You've then got your economy mode just there and your eCVT gearbox. You've then got climate control in the front with your stereo in the middle. This does come with your Bluetooth hands-free. Also comes with your various radio sources just here, including FM1, FM2, DAB, low wave, medium wave, and of course we have got your USB and your Bluetooth audio just there. Moving over to the steering wheel now, we've got your audio controls on the left, so we've got your volume, track select and source. The home button and bezel controls your onboard computer up top, and then we have got your Bluetooth hands-free function just there. We've then got cruise control, speed limiter, lane keep assist and distance control on the right hand side of the steering wheel, along with automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers. As you can see, this car has done 5,775 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Honda Jazz, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.